Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about generating functions and different problems on it. Welcome back friends. Let us start generating function. We have a formula for writing down a generating function, and the formula is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on. Here it is x raised to 0, then we have x raised to 1, then x square and x cube and so on. So this is the general formula for writing down the generating function. So what we're going to do in generating function is, see, we are given different series. We're going to write it down a function for this series. So what is the function through which this series is generated? That is our aim. So let us start with the first problem. Here it is given as 1 1 1. Before going ahead, these are the standard series that you need to remember. No other option, you need to remember this series. So let us start. First generating function. This a0, a1, a2 values are the values that are provided in the problem. So in the first case, this is the value of a0, this is a1, this is a2 and so on. So a0 is 1 plus a1x, that is 1x, plus a2x square, that is 1x square, plus dot dot dot. Now this is your series and it's here 1 plus x square plus x cube. And what is the series? 1 minus x inverse. So basically this is your generating function. Through this generating function you can generate this particular series. So this is my aim. I just want to find it out a function through which you can generate the series. So let us start with the second problem. Here it is 1 x square, 1x cube, 1x raised to 4 and 1x raised to 5. What is the difference between these two series? Here the series are dot dot dot. That means unlimited number of ones are present. Here there are specific number of ones, that is 6 ones are present. So what is the formula for this particular series? See, we have two different formulas. If you observe this one and this one, this formula is for unlimited number of terms plus dot dot dot. That means x raised to 4, x raised to 5 and so on. And this is your specific formula. This formula we can write it down in terms of n also, but that will make you the formula will be complicated, it will be difficult to remember. So we have taken a specific case where we have taken 5, and see the format of the formula. Both are minus, and what you're going to do, subtract 1 from 5, reduce 1, so that is 4 and will go down. 4 3 2 1, and here x raised to 0. And if both are plus, then we'll have alternate plus minus. Both are minus, then everything will be plus. If both are plus, we have alternate plus minus. Suppose here it is 6 and both are minus, everything will be plus. Since it is 6, we'll go down from 5, 4 3 2 1 and x raised to 0. Here fixed term, 5 terms up to x raised to 5. It's not unlimited series. If it is unlimited series, this will be the formula. But here there are limited terms. It is up to x raised to 5 and all the terms are positive. So therefore it will be x raised to 6 minus 1 upon x minus 1. Since all the terms are positive, therefore minus sign. See here, all the terms are positive, therefore minus sign. And here it is 4, here it is 5. So 5, here it is 6. So this is your generating function. Through this generating function you can generate this particular series. Let's talk about the next series. 1 plus a0 value is 1, a1 value is 3, so 3x, a2 value is again 3, so 3x square plus x cube. Now if you see, this formula is basically 1 plus x the whole cube, or you can say x plus 1 the whole cube. This is basic formula. If you open this bracket, you will get this. So this is the generating function for generating this particular series. Let us move on. This is dot dot dot. 1 plus ax square plus 1 plus ax plus a square x square plus a cube x cube plus dot dot dot. Now please tell me what will be the generating function for this series. First of all the terms are plus. 1 minus ax inverse. See here, if all the terms are plus and they are unlimited terms, so this is the formula. 1 plus, since both are minus, everything is plus. See here, both are minus, everything is plus. 1 plus x square cube and so on. So this is basically 1 plus ax square, ax the whole square, ax the whole cube and so on. Next, 1 plus 3x plus 9x square plus 77x cube plus dot dot dot. So what is the formula? 1 plus 3x inverse, 1 minus 3x inverse. 1 plus 3x, then 3x the whole square, that is 9x square, 3x the whole cube, that is 27x cube and so on. Suppose in the same formula, suppose the series is something like this, alternate plus minus, plus minus plus, then we have minus, then what will be the difference? This will become minus, plus, minus, and in that case, since we have alternate plus minus, it would be plus. Next, 1 2 3 4, this is the next problem. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus dot dot dot. This is very simple, direct formula, raised to minus 2. So see here, both are minus, everything is plus. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus dot dot dot. Next, so in short, a0 is 0, forget about it. Next term is 1, so this is 1x plus a2 is 2, so 2x square plus 3x cube plus dot dot dot. Now since the series is dot 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 and all are plus, see here, all are plus and the series is dot dot dot, if you want to apply this particular formula, the first term should be 1. Is this clear? The first term should be 1 if you want to apply this particular formula. Therefore, to make the first term 1, let's take x common. If you take x common, this will become 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus dot dot dot. Now you can say this formula is converted into 1 minus x raised to minus 2. See here, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. If you want to use any formula, the first term is 1. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. If you take x common, the series will be converted in this formula. So in short, see, you can write it down this as 1 minus x square. And this you can write it down as x upon 1 minus x the whole square. X raised to minus 2 will go down and will become square. What next? 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is also 0. It will start with cube. So x cube plus, actually 1x cube plus 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. If you take x cube common, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus dot dot dot. What next? So this is x cube and this is 1 minus x raised to minus 2. Since all are positive, therefore it will be both will be minus. So in short, it will be x cube upon 1 minus x the whole square. What next? 0 0 0, so 3 0, so 3 terms gone. It will start again from x cube. So x cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 5 plus dot dot dot. If you take x cube common, it will be 1 plus x square plus dot dot dot. In short, x cube 1 minus x inverse. So x cube upon 1 minus x. So this is your series. This is the solution for problem number 9. Let us move on. 10. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus dot dot dot. So in short, this is 1 plus x raised to minus 2, plus and minus, so it will be alternate plus minus. It's a direct series. So this is the generating function for generation of this particular series. 1 plus x square term will not be there because it's 0x square. So 0x square means nothing. X cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 5, and here it is dot dot dot. So what do you mean by this series? It's actually 1 minus x inverse. But if you take 1 minus x inverse, in this particular series, all the terms will be there. 1 plus x square plus everything. X square will also be there. But x square is not there in the expression. Therefore, it has to be minus x square. Now, if you open this series, it will be 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot dot. If you subtract x square, you will get this result. Next. X sorry, it will start with 1. Second term is 0, so it is gone. Minus x square, x cube will be gone, x raised to 4, x raised to 5 will be gone, x raised to 6, and so on, and with alternate plus minus. So it's actually, this is the series. Since it is alternate plus minus, it has to be plus and minus. So it's 1 minus x square. Next time x square is square, that is x raised to 4. Then x square cube, that is x raised to 6, and so on. And finally, last 2 minus 2x plus 2x square minus 2x cube plus dot dot dot. If you take 2 common, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot dot dot. In short, it is 2 1 minus x inverse plus, because it's alternate plus minus, so 2 upon 1 plus x is the required solution for this particular series. So we found out generating functions, and we discussed how to generate series from a generating function. Hope this video is clear to you. This can come in your MCQs or GATE exams for 1-2 marks. Hope this is clear. Thank you.